Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Karim, directly speaking to all of you, my dear friends, fellows, students here in Afghanistan and all over the globe. Today we have to study about histology. What is histology and how it's being defined, and what are the targets of histology in medical science? Histology is basically the scientific study of tissues inside our bodies, and it deals with tissues. So what is a tissue? When it deals with tissues, so what is a tissue? A tissue is basically a group of similar cells performing same function and having similar structures. So when we define tissue, so in how many types tissues are being divided? Tissues are basically divided into four main categories. Number one, that is called epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is basically performing the function of lining and covering of outer surfaces and internal cavities of our body. Second one, that is called connective tissue. Connective tissue means connection of similar cells which perform the function of support of our body structures. Third one called muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is basically designed by the nature for movement of an organism's body. And number fourth is called nervous tissue. Nervous tissue basically performing the function of control of our body parts. So in detail, at our first position, in details, we have to learn and study some issues about epithelial tissue. What is epithelial tissue? As I told you before, epithelial tissue basically covers the outer surfaces or inner linings of body cavities of an organism's body. And second, it forms most glands of an organism's body. While the most important functions of epithelium are designed at following. Number one, it performs the function of protection of our body structures. Second one, it absorbs, secretes, and performs the function of ion transport of different body particles or materials. Number third, it performs the function of filtration of different food particles or water. And number four, it forms slippery surfaces of internal body structures. So this was a briefings about histology, about tissue, and about types of tissues. And in tissues, at first we started epithelial tissue. So we will learn and will study more information about epithelial tissue and the remaining three most important tissues of body in next lectures or lessons. Assalamu alaikum.